we are here at Pavino Aesthetic Wellness Center in Pasay Brand. So may gagawin tayo, si Miss Rosalinda. Concern niya is aging. So we have that treatment solution we call Pavino Bio Nutrition. So that's NCPF. So it's more vitamins lang siya, and base niya is hyaluronic acid. So it's more hydration of the skin and glowing. Samahan niyo kami for this treatment. Alright? Hydration treatment, especially sa mga dry skin. It's a very safe treatment for all of age and past. If you have any concern from aging, dehydrated skin, so we can start this treatment. So actually, it's not a filler, it's not a botox, it's a bio-nutrition for our skin. So how's your first session pa lang? After 2 weeks ago, ano nangyari po? So guys, ayun, kasi it's a hyaluronic acid base po si Pavino Bio Nutrition. So